So, how to run the step decision files and our test cases, REST API test cases. Let's see how to run them. So such kind of scenarios, you just need to simply you just run the Maven update if you get such kind of errors. But there is no issue, but still it is throwing error. Just do Maven update. It will resolve the issues. See, the error is gone, right? So, and we need to change this, our JDK version, build path, configure build path, select the JDK 11, play and close. Now we need to create the runner file, right? Create a runner file. Just copy this runner file. Copy. Just it's a Java class, basically. Just create the Java class. Test runner. So you have to give this feature folder, the features path is this path. This path you have to give. Copy this path, go to resource, and this path you have to give. Just copy this and give this path. That's one thing. So glue is a step underscore dev plugin, pretty cucumber dot cucumber-report.html, cucumber.json, cucumber.xml. These are all the plugins. You have to use a plugin keyword for the report. Dry run. So basically, it will check if you put a true, it will check the comparison between feature files and step decision files. Whether you developed each step or not, it will check. Monochrome, you have to give true. So if you give a true, the console output you will get properly. So publish, so reports you will be published. Step notifications also true you put. This one I'll just comment out as of now. Okay, tags. I'll tell you tags later. So this one we don't need. Last one we should not put any cow. So these are all called cucumber options. What are all cucumber options? Features, glue, plugin, dry run, monochrome, publish, step notifications, tags. So features is used to specify the feature file location. Glue is used to represent the step decision file location. So plugin is used to report the reports. So what kind of reports you want? So now just run this. How to run? Right click on this file, run as JUnit test. Automatically all the test cases will run. Here is the report. Still running or thing we get. Right click, run as unit test. Finish that. Didn't get any report. Go to Windows, show view, console. Search test features. Okay, that's correct only. Eclipse workspace, BDDStyle RestAssured August. SRC test Java features. And step underscore def. Correct only. Why it's not? Okay. So the reason is we should include the JUnit library. Let's include the JUnit library. So add the JUnit library. Add libraries. JUnit. JUnit 5. So that's the reason it is not running. You have to add JUnit. Now you run it. It should work. Yeah. So now it's running. See how fast it is API testing. Done. See, you got a report. We were Cucumber reported in this location. See that? 100% passed. A few seconds ago, 7.49 seconds duration. See each request get API feature, each feature step you can see pass, green color, step by step status code you will get. Status, basically. Status green means it is passed. So same way you can see that other. So like this you can get the stepwise status, you will get it. That's advantage with the Cucumber reports. So 10 passed. Okay. So this is the advantage with the Cucumber reports. Even you will get here also under this. If you go, you can see here your stepwise step that method. So what is the method? Method where is implemented. See step definitions. So this step related method is this one in this class, in this package. You will get a clear indication for all this. So that is the, so these reports, and also where can we see the reports here under our project. So refresh and you can see here JSON output, JUnit XML, and also under target you can find cucumber-report.html. This one. Same report will be there. The same report will be there. Okay. So this is how you can get the reports. Even in a XML format also you can see. JSON format also you can see. So, but you should have a JSON, then you can see properly. But you can just put this entire data in the JSON Pathfinder. JSON Pathfinder. So you can see that. So each scenario, you can find it out. Like this. Right, a get request. So all elements, you can see that. So feature, delete API, post API, put API. So tags, you can see any tags are there. So elements, what are all the elements? So available, you can see scenario name, everything. And here you can see elements. So four, again, these elements having four scenarios. So get API to list all users, data driven to get the single user. And this one, single user not found. So these are detailed JSON format you can get. Same way you have XML format also. See here you put JSON output. That's what the JSON output folder below cucumber.json. JNet report, JNet underscore XML, that's the folder below cucumber.xml. So whatever you specify a report name, that will come here. So just take this. So this is the nice XML report. Here also you will get a status. Given provide valid endpoint to fetch all users. Passed. When send the request to the server. Passed. Then I validate the response. Status code 200. Passed. So like that you will get a nice report in XML format also. So that's all about how to run them, but let's see how to run tag wise. So you have a tags here, right? Can you see here you have a tags? Smoke, regression. So in other test cases, smoke is there, regression is there. And here also you have smoke. Here also you have smoke. So you want to run only smoke test cases. Then this is the way how you can run. Just enable this. Now you see only smoke will run. Now right click, run as JUnit test. Only smoke test case will run. See that. From all the test cases, smoke test cases only run. No others. If you want to see the report, go here and you can see the report. Let me show. See only one test case from get API. One. So that's what you can group the test case with the tags, and you can call those test cases. Only those will be executed. That's the how to do grouping in BDD Cucumber with a tags concept. How you can run tags. Tags equal to @smoke. We need to specify here first the tag. This is the tag. How to specify tag. Any questions? That's all about API testing. Then that nothing. This is how you will keep on adding your test cases, your feature files, then the step development files, and the just including runner file is only one time, not much. So utils, you can add utilities many, but here this is the procedure how you will add features, step definitions, runner file. These are the three modules in the BDD style. So that's it. And let's push this code. Okay. Let's push this code. How to push? So you need to go to your project location. Okay. This is the one. So you need to open a Git bash. You have a Git bash already we installed. And so first you need to create a repository, right? So I'm going to create a repository. So with this name, I'll create a repository. GitHub. Go to GitHub. So you create a repository here. So top right side, new repository, and give the repository name. This is API testing in BDD Cucumber format using RestAssured framework. Create repository. Okay. So now first, these are the things you have to execute these Git commands. Execute the Git commands one by one. So then Git init. So Git init is initializing the Git basically. And then you add all the Git status you do. Git status. So these are the files under SRC. You have to add a lot of files, but so you have to create a branch. So we need to add first remote, add this remote repository. So already existing one you are pushing. So execute these commands. So then git branch minus m main branch we are creating. We are switching to main branch. So now we are in the main branch. Now you add all these files because these are all files modified. A lot of files modified, right? So you need to add. So just do git add. See here it is showing untracked files. Untracked file means these are the untracked files. So add git add. Do that. Git add space dot. Dot means all the files in this current directory will be added. See, all are added. Now git status you do. It will be in green color. See, these are all files added. New files. So now you want to remove, you remove if you don't like it. If you don't want to add. But I want to add all of them. So I'm just going to commit now. Once you add, you need to commit. Commit it to local branch. Git commit minus m. So API testing automation with RestAssured BDD style. Now push the code. Push the code to remote. So remote repository, you push it. git push minus u origin main. So now it will be pushing all the code. See, the code is pushed. Now it came here. Where is that? So into this folder, your entire code will come. So just refresh. See, entire code is available here. So that's the main, how you can push the code to Git repository with a Git commands, all Git commands. Then I told you already how to clone. So you go, if you want to clone, just go to code, copy this, GitHub URL, git clone you can download the entire code also. I already shown you how to clone that also. Okay, so that's all about how to clone, how to push the code, how to add the files, how to commit the code, how to push the code to remote repository. This is the remote repository. So your code was here in your local machine, but you pushed this entire code to remote repository. So these are all the sequence of commands you have to use to do that. Okay, so that's all about entire course. So I'll just stop this and we can discuss the interview points and resume points, some of them. Okay, I will stop the recording.